Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Bumblebee Corner. My name is Lisa. I'm so happy that you're here. If you're a first timer or if you're coming back to see what I'm doing, I appreciate you being here. Today I'm going to work on these magnets. They're like a canvas magnet and the back is a magnet. I got mine off of Amazon. I know I got my inspiration from Kristen from Simply Joy. I believe she gets hers from Hobby Lobby. I'm sure Michael's. I'm sure all them craft stores. So here's some different size rectangles and a couple different size of squares. So I think what I'm going to do with them, I'm going to paint them. I painted up a couple. I just did like a kind of a Christmassy green. I used Waverly chalk paint and fern. But I have several different kinds of paints that I'll be using. So I'm going to get them all painted up, and then I think I'm going to do some transfers. And I also think I am going to do some decoupage paper. So I'm just going to kind of do a mismatch, a whole bunch of different ones, see what I like the best. So let me get started and I'll show you how I'm going to do it. I found some little transfers that would fit really good on these little square canvas magnets. So it's the same with all transfers. You just take off that little backing and then you're going to use the transfer stick and you just kind of rub it. I like to rub it all around first and then I just kind of start at the top. And as soon as I get that top part to stick, I'm just going to keep rubbing as I kind of peel it down. And they really adhered to this canvas really easy. So I was happy for that. So I'm just going to go ahead and I'm just going to keep applying these transfers. So I'm going to go ahead and get these finished. So this one I decided to try decoupage. So I found some decoupage paper and it had this little image. It was on one of the last Roycycle releases. It was the one that had all like the different stamps, looks like postage stamps. So I found this and I thought this was really cute. So I just kind of cut it out to fit on the canvas magnet and I'm just going to use liquid patina and I'm going to go ahead and decoupage this on. And then I set it aside to make sure it dries really well. So it's all dry. So I'm just going to go ahead and take my finger sander and just with a downward motion, I'm going to go all around the edges just to try to get a really clean edge, as clean as I can get it. So I'm just going to go around all four sides and just keep going in a downward motion and then it just pulls off really easy. And just gives it a really clean edge. There's just a little bit of the canvas. It looks like it's kind of frayed just a little bit. So I'm just going to take my scissors and snip those little strings off. So here they are. This is I just did a few, but I wanted to go through and show you. I did a Winnie the Pooh. That was decoupaged. And then that other one decoupaged that I showed you. And the rest of them I just used some transfers. So they all are. These are the ones that I have finished. I decided they didn't look finished. And then I remembered Kristen took a gold marker and just kind of went around all the edges just to give it just to add a little bit extra. And it just kind of gave it a finished look. So I dug through all my stash and then I found this gold paint marker that I had gotten from Hobby Lobby. It came in a package and there was a few of them. There was like a gold, a silver, I think a red and green, all Christmas colors. So I'm just going to go ahead and go around all of the edges with this gold marker. So now I'm just going through and I'm going to seal them all with DIY's Big Top. So I'm going to go ahead and make sure they're all sealed, just because especially magnets, they're usually on a fridge and they usually get handled quite a bit. So I just wanted to make sure that they were all sealed and that they would last. So I'm going to go ahead and get these all sealed. All right, guys, so what do you think? Those are the magnets that I made. The decoupage one was pretty easy and it held up pretty good. I really loved the transfer ones with those Christmas ones. I need to find some more good papers to do with the decoupage ones. I don't have any of the Christmas papers that are super small like that, but I'll have to see if I can find maybe some old Christmas books or something like that. I'll have to look on Amazon to see if I can find some that are like the super small ones, because those magnets are pretty small. I didn't use them all. I just did a handful, saved some to see if I find some books, or save some to do maybe for the spring. So I would love to hear what you think. Did you have a favorite one? Which ones were your favorite? Did you like the gold trim around the edges? So if you love this type of content, I would appreciate it if you would give me a subscribe if you haven't already. I appreciate you being here. Share this out if you know somebody else that likes this type of content. I'm going to really try to produce some more content like this. So go ahead and share that out. Give me a thumbs up and also hit the notification button so when I do get some new videos out, you'll be notified so you can be one of the first to view them. I appreciate you being here, and I will see you next time. Bye.